very ingrained patterns of thinking, and anything that can break you out of that can.
So, jumbled up timeline in today's video. I got back from yesterday's ride, passed out in my kit on the bed, and then woke up feeling so sick. I think it was heat exhaustion or maybe a little bit of heat stroke even. I spent the last 20 hours just sat sleeping. We're heading to a bike race with Tyler. Lawrence is gonna race it as well. I'm still feeling a little bit crappy, but my appetite's back and my energy levels are definitely going back up too. So we were just on the way to a bike race. Yesterday probably wasn't your best preparation ever for a race.
Surfing the back of a tailgate.
Yeah, what happened, dude?
Car decided, the person in the car said that their daughter was about to throw up. They were gonna get sick. So, you know, as a parent, I know if my kid's like, hey, I'm about to barf, I'm probably gonna make a pretty hectic swerve to the right and get on the brakes. And that's what he did, and it was just kind of bad timing. And dude, I mean, I was full braked. I couldn't stop.
Locking up.
My rear wheel was locking up and just ran into the back. And then I kind of like hung onto the tailgate. So I didn't even hit the ground. I didn't even hit the pavement at all.
Yeah.
Couldn't have been a better encounter with a car. The frame is smoked. And then we had the legend, James, man, just got my busted felt together as much as it could. Got it fitted and some hoods on.
So you got something to race on?
Yeah.
You're eating a sandwich, you must be racing.
Carbo loading.
If ever there was gonna be UK versus like America, this race is bringing out the best guys in Northern California, which Northern California is a very like competitive district in all of America. So it's a proper, it's a, you know, I am proud to bring him to this race. Yeah, I mean, there's no other way. There's no other route. That's unreal, dude.
Yeah, I was worried about this. Yeah. What's your name?
Lawrence.
I'm Jet.
Nice to meet you, mate. There's no way around.
There is,
but it's like 100 miles. The guy asked me if he could go through. I'm like, you're fire, man.
Here's the thing: is we have these guys from London,
Bike race, right?
and the bike race is right there. We won't make it. There's no. I mean, that's like 2 hours.
You can't even get up there. I mean, it's not that far. There's a fire. There's 2 fires, but this fire alone is the road's completely closed because there's fire trucks across the street.
Zero chance to go
through. Yeah, they're not.
I cannot believe this.
Fuck, man. That's so shit.
Sad face.
Oh, hey, oh. Josh, hey. Fucking beat. Oh, hey, oh.
No way, man. You doing this whole ride with a backpack on?
It's only a couple of hours. The massive news of this morning is that Connor Swift is national champion.
And Chris Froome is banned from the Tour de France.
Yes, a non-world tour rider wins the nationals for the first time since Christian House, I think.
Hey, look at that. 107. Only my original viewers will get that reference. Good morning, welcome to today's video. Welcome to San Jose. We've had a bit of a change of plan. Yesterday we drove 6 hours in the car with a vegan cyclist to head to a race. We got about 10 miles down the road and there was a fire. The road was closed, so we had to completely change our plans. We didn't go to the race. Lawrence didn't get to do a race. We ended up driving all the way back here, spent a night in a motel, and now we're riding 40 miles, pan flat, to San Francisco. Oakland, technically. This is such a stark contrast to all the rides we've been doing so far.
In the sense that there's going to be water.
There's going to be water. I'm not sweating just standing outside.
Yeah, it's not 40 degrees.
It's flat, and it's 40 miles. We're going to be there in like 2 hours.
Yeah, man. It's 21 degrees, and it's quarter to 11. Usually it's 40 degrees where we've been.
What's it like being in civilization again, James?
Slightly less. It's a little bit more stressful, isn't it? There's a lot more cars. There's more cars here than there are in the desert. Although, it seems alright. We're only like 4 miles in, so ask me in 20 miles.
Young Mitch Connor, let me be your honor. I'll sit on the block feeling like I'm falling.
We're 27 miles in. We've legit averaged 14.5 miles an hour for this whole ride. It's just endless traffic lights. And we're sat there for like 3 minutes at a time. This is ridiculous. So, welcome to our home for the next 4 days. It's pretty cool, man.
Oh, yeah. It's alright.
We have an oven.
Well, we have got an oven and a hob.
It would be nice to continue eating good food.
Like a father. In my bomber jacket, yeah, you know I got her. It be that young Mitch Connor. Young Mitch Connor. Look, young Mitch Connor, let me be your honor. Okay, posted on the block, feeling like Obama. No way, I got my bomber jacket, and you know I got her. It be that young.
So, welcome to San Francisco. Sun's out, you can't really see it, because as we said yesterday, there's been fires everywhere, and the whole city's covered in a smog. Kind of looks quite cool though, coming in over that bridge, dude.
It kind of does look quite cool. Thanks for waking me up. So I missed all of it, by the way.
Well, you were fast asleep, man.
Yeah.
Right, what's the plan, dudes?
Beer.
You want beer?
Yes.
It's fucking not green. Watch out.
Straight back on the health train for you boys then.
When's your chicken burger arriving?
Oh yeah. I've just got chips. Sorry, fries.
Fries. Hasn't arrived yet.
Smuggler's Cove. Pirate-themed tiki bar.
Lawrence loves tikis.
I want to go. We're going. Finish your burger. We're going.
Why are you taking so long, man? One more bite. Enjoying the weather?
No one told us it was going to be cold here. we're so typically British, aren't we?
If we were on
we're
bikes,
never happy.
If I was on a bike now, if we were on bikes, I'd be in arm and leg warmers right now.
Yeah, man. Gilet, the lot.
Winter jacket. So we've been trekking for hours in the Arctic winter of San Francisco.
So dramatic.
It's about 16 degrees, which feels freezing cold to us. We're trying to find a supermarket so we can buy some supplies. Times are tough. What happened to the pirate tiki bar? What happened to it?
None of us had ID. But in fairness, shut up. In fairness, none of us could really be bothered either, could we?
I think Lawrence maximum can't be bothered right now. So yeah, we once again made the mistake of not going out with ID. Back to the Airbnb. We've stocked the fridge with loads of healthy food. It's actually a bit healthy. I found these Beyond Meat things. You don't get those in the UK. James has pretty much exclusively bought pizza and beer. You alright, man?
I'm fine. Francis, thank you for your concern.